see you. Come here, see Mommy. I'm taking your picture. Okay, I'm not taking your picture anymore. I'm not going to do it. Come on.
I got a car, Maddie. Well. I give me Maddie.
Thank you. Easy. You keep looking. Your hands keep falling down, Austin. Matt. Austin, turn that. Will you turn that stool back over? In case y'all fall down, you won't get scratched by it. It goes in Matt's room. Bring it to Mommy. Give it to me. You can put it in the trash can. Austin, move out of the way, baby. Show her where they put it. Yeah. Thank you, girls.
No.
Austin, sing me a song. Don't do that to her. Good. Come here, why don't you sing me another one? Why don't you sing You Are So Beautiful? Come out here and sing it. So you can hear. Woo! Come here, Austin. Okay, sing it now.
You are so beautiful to me.
Good, keep going.
You are
keep going, I'll show you in a second.
You are so beautiful to me. To be.
Yay! Sing ABCs.
A B C D E F G
H I J K. Good. Maddie, no, baby.